So most people give up on their dreams too easily. And whether it is weight loss, getting your dream body, being able to travel the world, whatever your dream is, people make excuses about being weak, unmotivated, not passionate enough, or maybe they just don't know where to start or how to start. So the reason why we're here today is to tell you that there's nothing wrong with you. It is not you. It is your approach that's flawed. The reason why you keep quitting on your dream is not because you're unmotivated. It is not because you don't have enough passion. I think you have what it takes to accomplish everything. You have all the strength and passion that you need to accomplish all your goals. And you have what it takes to get to your goals. You just don't spend enough time discovering why you want to change. So today, we'll try to help you understand why it's important to explore the reason you really want to change. So together, we'll try to discover a little bit more about what drives you to keep moving forward. And hopefully, that will help you unlock your powerful why. So now I need you to ask yourself this. Are you happy where you are right now? If not, then what would make you happy? Now, before we get moving with this, I would like everybody to kind of grab a pen and a paper. There's going to be a few things that I'm going to want you guys to write down. There will be a little exercise at the end, okay? So where I'm going with this is, what would make you happy? And I want you to dream big, because it's okay to dream. When you're committed to living a life of your dreams, as long as this why is strong enough, nothing, and I really mean nothing in the world, can stop you from achieving your dreams. So what I'm really saying is, you can make your dream a reality. All you have to do is staying committed to achieving your dream. And I will tell you right now, this will take risks, sacrifice, hard work, discipline, consistency, willpower to achieve your dream. You need to take chances. You need to do what you are passionate about. Don't be afraid to fail. If you don't fail, it means you're not trying hard enough. Failure, it is not the same as quitting. Let me tell you, some days you will feel like giving up. Your knees are deep in problems. You have too much work. You want to throw up. You can't take the pressure anymore. It's too much stress. You want to quit. You will come face to face with fear of failure along the way as you set out to live the life of your dreams. But if your why is strong enough, then you will overcome all of your fear. Let's talk about fear for a minute. Fear shows up whenever we try to push the boundaries of our existence to strive and change. But if your why is strong enough, you'll have nothing to be scared of. Instead, we want you to embrace your fear and use it. Use your fear to grow. Use it to become stronger every time. Most of us are our own obstacles to our dream. So we need to stop sabotaging ourselves. Take the time to truly understand, to explore and understand why you're doing this. A powerful why can be a valuable tool to help you meet your goals. It can also be a weapon to destroy fear itself and move forward. So the secret is, when you're thinking about your powerful why, make sure that it is a well-structured why with strong roots. This way, nothing, nobody, no storm can uproot your desire to grow towards the sky. Don't tell me something like, I want more money. No. Think about what the money will give you in life. Go deep, dig into the pain. Tell me why you suffer right now, and tell me why you want it to stop. Only then, when you dig into the pain, that you will be able to discover your real why. Your why needs to be bigger than yourself. Your why is not, it's not just a goal or something that is on your mind. It has to become part of you. One that drives you every single day to take action. One that feels like almost like an obsession. Once you figure that out, the why, make a decision. Whatever it takes, whatever you need to do to achieve your dreams, you can do it. And here at Perform and Transform, Patrick and I, we have the process to get you to where you want to be. But you have to make the decision and commit to becoming who you set out to be. Some of you may know John Maxwell. John Maxwell says, when you decide and make a definite choice to do something, the willpower to accomplish that decision is given direction. Let me say that again, write it down if you have to. When you decide and make a definite choice to do something, the willpower to accomplish that decision is given direction. Your willpower is a mighty force that you already have within you. It's just waiting to receive direction. The more definite your direction, the greater your willpower. Because an undecided person cannot tap into the strength of their willpower. John Maxwell, check him out, amazing guy. You can have a dream. You can have a powerful why. But if you do not decide, if you do not commit to doing what it takes to get to your dream, it only makes you a daydreamer. That is why you need to make the decision today that you will do whatever it takes to achieve your dream life, your dream body, whatever it is. Fear, obstacle, rejection, failure will come no matter what. But once you figure out your true powerful why and make a definite decision to realize it, you will become unstoppable. I'll give you guys a few minutes. If you didn't have a pen and pencil, go for it. I'm going to give you guys about 30 seconds or so. If you have any questions so far, drop it in the chat. I'm happy Patrick will answer your questions. Otherwise, we're going to start our exercise. I'll give you a few more seconds. Everyone ready? Okay, so for your exercise, on your piece of paper, create 2 columns. On the left side, write down a list of what you want less of in life. I'll repeat that. On the left side, what do you want less in life? On the right side, write down what do you want more in life? I'll repeat it. What do you want more in life on the right side? Got that? Awesome. Then we'll make another column. Leave some space. Make another column. On the left side, write down things that take away from your happiness. I'll repeat it. Things that take away from your happiness. On the right side, things that bring you happiness. I'll repeat it. Things that bring you happiness. I'll give you guys 10 seconds. So by getting a clear vision of what you want more in life or what makes you happier, you will begin to form your powerful why. Whether it is a long vacation, I don't know, sailing around the world, buying a house for your family, start cooking a nutritious meal, or lose your muffin top, your success all begins with understanding and stating why it is important for you to meet your goal. So my challenge for you this week is to take the time to get clear on what is important to you. What do you want more in your life? Or what do you want to let go? Then create your powerful why. Set your goal and make it happen. All right? Share your goal and your powerful why on your Facebook, on our Facebook accountability group. Send that to us on your chat on your My Accountability app. So this is basically what I have for you today for our level up segment. If you have any questions, I will take them now.